It has smart app, multifunctional control panel. It has a range of 45 kilometers. It's a long range battery. The motor is 300 watts. Maximum output is 600 watts. It has electric brakes and disc brakes at the rear. It has shock absorbing inflatable tires and then aviation aluminum alloy frame. So let's open it. Okay, the box. So now we have unboxed it, and it came with a manual with some screws and a key, so we can attach the handle. Came with a charger, and it came with a charging cable, plus to inflate the tires, this is to fill in the air. I think I have not received any extra tire here. Maybe it's not available in Sweden, but this is all what we get. So let me install the handle and then I'll show you how it looks. So now I have assembled this scooter. Looks really nice. You have the disc brake. It's all in black. Let me take out this. Okay. Then let me also take out this. Some instructions, you have to cut it. Okay. Let me use it and I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, so now I have tested it. It has quite a powerful light, and the tail light is also very bright, and it's a very nice scooter. At least it is giving a range of 45 kilometers, so most likely with my weight, at least I'll get around between 30 to 40 based on the incline that I usually have in my area. So yeah, I think it's really good to commute shorter distances, and I will use it and give you more feedback, but for now I think it looks really good. Highly recommend. Thank you.